And there it is, guys. That's freaking awesome. That looks legit, right? That looks literally legitness. This literally legitness. Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy, Jackknife 2000. What's going on guys? Today, I have another unboxing video for you guys today. Today we're going to be unboxing the Moukey directional mic. Now, it's not as expensive as the Rode mics or anything like that, but we're just going for like the lower budget things that, you know, if you want to do or whatever. So I'm gonna be letting you hear how it sounds with the mic put on as versus now, okay? So let's check it out. Looks like it's superb sound and audio and right there. Okay, and it has the specs right here if you want to take a peek at those bad boys. There it is right there, okay. And we got those bad boys there. So it has a little sticker on here, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that, just rip that sticker off really quickly. So the reason why I picked this one up, guys, is because it has a directional wind. As you can see, it just opens up like a little book. There we go, look at that, guys, look at that. Check it out. That's pretty cool, right? All right, so here it is. We have the little wind woofy thing that goes on the mic. So when we're outside and the wind's blowing, we'll still get crisp, clear sound with this bad boy on the mic. It does come with an instruction manual. That's pretty awesome. Of course, there's the empty box that it came in. It's a nice little box. It's worth keeping, to be quite honest with you. It's I don't know if it's got a magnet in there or what. Right, and look at the bag that it comes in, guys. This is pretty freaking awesome. Look at that, guys. That is freaking sweet. All right, guys, here we go. We have the little puffer that goes on there. That's just like the regular one that goes on. And I think it's just your preference if you want to have this on or not. This is just a little mic that goes on the mic itself. All right, guys, so you plug this part right here. It appears this goes into the mic itself, and then this one goes into the camera right here. Pretty freaking cool. It's got a little stretchy cord on it. And of course, this one is for a microphone. If you want to plug it into a microphone or want to make it into a microphone, you have this option right here. It even has a little microphone on there. All right, and then we have the bracket that goes on top of your camera. It slides in there, and then you just take this bad boy and you screw it right here into it. That's what you got there. And then of course, here we are. Let me undo this bad boy. There it is. A little tiny little bad boy, isn't it? That's where the adapter plugs in. Pretty freaking cool, guys. Pretty freaking cool. It's really tiny. It's really tiny, guys. All right, guys. So after getting it on there, this is how it looks. When you get it on now, this is gonna sit directly on top of the camera like so, and it's gonna be plugged in like this on the camera. So there it is right there, guys. It's real tiny, guys. You guys can see in my hands how tiny this thing is. It's like, it's really tiny. I can actually cuff one in one hand like this. So, but then again, I have big hands, so who knows? And like I said, guys, if you guys want to go outside in the wind and it's getting kind of windy out there, you guys can always put this bad boy on. And there it is, guys. That's freaking awesome. That looks legit, right? That looks literally legitness. This literally legitness.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now we're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy with this, and we're gonna plug this bad boy in and see how it sounds. There it is, like that. And this part goes into the camera. So when we come back, listen to the audio now and tell me if you think there's any difference in the audio. Now when I come back, it's gonna sound like this mic. Let's do this. All right, guys, here it is. I have the mic on. Do you guys hear a difference in the mic or nah? Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys can actually hear a difference. I don't know because I'm recording it, so I can't really tell if there's any difference right now. Now I do have the wind cover on there right now. I can take that bad boy off and see how it sounds. I'm gonna take it off now. All right, guys, so the wind cover is off now. Now, once again, I'm gonna ask you guys down in the comment section below, do you guys hear a difference? I'm not sure because I'm not recording, you know, I'm recording it right now, so I can't hear, I can't see if that's the situation. However, let me know if you guys think that this was a good buy, if you guys need any, this is it right here, guys. The Moukey, my friends, Moukey. I'm not like a professional unboxer or anything, so I don't have like all the specs, but like I said, if you guys want to check out the specs, they're right here on this box. But if you guys want to be a part of the family, you know, Jack Knight 2000, you know what I'm saying, the vlog channel, we're going big places. We're trying to, at least. If you guys want to be a part of the family, make sure you guys subscribe and like. Those likes really help me out a lot. So make sure you share this and tell your friends about my channel if you would. If not, that's all good. I appreciate you guys for coming and checking out my little channel. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace, love, and as always, 3 flowers grease. Until next one's, my friends. Peace.